Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Danial Hakim, your very own Brunei's Heidelberg Materials brand ambassador, and today we're gonna be doing a special unboxing video along with a special gift at the end. So stay tuned. So Heidelberg Materials actually gave me a very big box. Like I could see it from the back over there. Oh wait, can you guys like pass me like the box over there? Damn, that's a very big box. Oh my god. This looks so nice. Oh my god, wait. Like you can actually see like the color over here. I wanna open this and see what's inside. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa, okay, so there's so many things I can see here, but I also see a letter over here. So I'm just gonna like take this off first and see what's in it. Paper, it says Dear Daniel, which is me, obviously. The merch is here. We're very excited for this. Hope you like it. Happy unboxing. From the coolest commercial team ever. I'm kind of excited to open everything here and see what's inside. So this very big box, we have a dolphin swimming club cap. I would wear this like for if it's like hot outside or stuff, or like maybe if it's like raining. I would say, like, you can see here, like it says here the dolphin swimming club logo, and then at the back here you have a very cute small dolphin as well. You can see here, it's very nice. You know what, I'm just gonna start wearing this and see how it goes. Alright, so the next part is this shirt over here. You can see like the whole design of like time, strength, and endurance. I'm pretty sure that's a dolphin coaching a person, or maybe like teaching him how to like swim, pretty much. So that's pretty amazing. And you can see at the back here, it also says Dolphin Swimming Club. Dolphin represent. We did like when the lights off. You can start with this one. When I first joined Heidelberg, one of them like literally asked me like what I do in my free time, and I told them like I do like video games as well. Like I play video games when on my free time, and yeah, I got it correct. It's actually a very own mousepad which says a Dolphin Swimming Club in the middle, which is a very big mousepad. I'm not gonna lie, I would use this to like play, play some video games. So next one is we do have like a Heidelberg Materials very own. Okay, this is definitely gonna be my favorite ever. Our very own Heidelberg Materials Dolphin jacket. We have like a small cute dolphin logo here as well, and then we have same design as this t-shirt just now, time, strength, and endurance, which I don't know, I think it represents me as well, so I'm pretty sure it does. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's all for like the stuff, right? Or is there more stuff? Oh, it's beside me. Oh, okay, just gonna take it off there and see what it is. Okay, we have our special gift from Heidelberg. Like the last gift that we have here is this. Ta-da! Over here we have our very special Heidelberg Materials Adidas slippers. Oh my god, it has the perfect exact size for me. Shout out to Felicia for giving me the correct size for this. And then the last one we have in the same box here, we have a Adidas box shoes. So I'm so excited to see what's inside here. Oh my god, look at this very own Heidelberg Materials Adidas shoes. Ooh, this looks so nice. I'm pretty sure they did a collab with Adidas. Did they? I'm pretty sure they did. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all for the video for today. So I would like to give a special shout out to Heidelberg Materials Brunei for giving me the opportunity to be their brand ambassador. And yeah, I am gonna be competing on the 20th of February. I'm going to Thailand for the Asian Para Games. So stay tuned, and thank you everyone.